friends, welcome back to llamamamakayla's YouTube channel. I appreciate you stopping by today for a visit. I am starting my day off with some fun. It is Tuesday, February the 13th, and I'm just going to start my day off with some fun because I have some not so fun things happening later today. So here we are. I am going to open a MGA's Miniverse Make It Appliance ball. I got this because Peteena here needs some appliances for her house, and I did look on Amazon or whatever, and the appliances were like really small scale for her, and so I think these will be the perfect size for her. She also has an adventure coming up that I'm trying to just figure out how to record and launch. But she is going to be doing some things, and she needs some appliances for those videos coming out soon. And so, anyway, I grabbed this up. In this one, you get, if you buy it in the store, you get to pick which one you're going to get. But there's also, so I picked this espresso maker. You may get the aqua turquoise looking blue, or you may get the pink. I really have no preference. I will be thrilled with either one. I think they're adorable. These little balls, Miniverse, Make It. This is Make It Appliances, but they have it in Make It all kinds of foods and desserts and Valentine's Day and Easter balls coming up. I would like to get the Easter ones to be able to do the ham. For her, or her be able to do the ham one. But anyway, and then somebody has hacked these balls, and somewhere on here is some little, I don't know about this particular one, but the food ones, there is some little pinholes somewhere. I don't see them. I don't know what I'm looking for. And you're supposed to be able to see what is going to be in the ball, so there's no surprise. Well, I do like the surprise of it. But I can also see where if you're collecting them all and you have all but 2 or 3, you might want to try to make sure you get those 2 or 3 instead of a bunch of repeats. But there are a lot of trading places where if you have repeats, you can trade for something you don't have. So that's always an option too. But anyway, I just love the excitement of opening them. And so let's get busy. Let's open it. I can't stand it any longer. I hope you're all having a great day so far, and I hope you continue to have a great day. I will be going to the doctor later on today. So I was just kind of looking to see if I see anything interesting. I don't know. There's people who collect these that know, I can't read all that writing, but they know all about this and where to, the hacks of where to poke little holes or something. I don't know. I don't really have time to do that in a store and to stand there and look and see. I just, and I probably wouldn't be able to see it anyway. So here we go. Let's see what Peteena gets in this ball. Oh, she got the pink one. How cute. So cute. That's adorable. That is so cute. It's a little Expresso machine. Let me see. Oh, look how cute that is. And it really does work. You can put the stuff in it and it comes out. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Okay. Here you put the little bottle of stuff in there upside down. And then when you do this thing here, it would come out into your cup and all that. That is just adorable. Too cute. Whoever come up with this stuff is just awesome. So I think that is a good size for Peteena. It is a little oversized, but it's perfect. It'll show up better in videos that way. Because Peteena has some plans coming up. Let's just see what else is in these balls. So here's a little paper about it, maybe instructions. Here's a make fresh sign. cool. And here's the stuff in here that, the bottle, I guess some spoons, and I'm not sure exactly, a cup maybe? Let's see what's over here. Here is something over here. Let's see if I'm able to open these, or if I'm going to have to get Big Daddy to open them for me later. I have this, but I don't want to puncture anything. Okay, maybe that'll work. Oh, little blue plates. Cute. How cute is that? I'm just going to lay that right here. So there's 2 little plates and 2 coffee mugs. And so when you make the little espressos, there's some resin so that your coffee sets up hard in there, so it dries and it turns into little coffee in a cup, and it's there forever, so it doesn't spill or anything. It hardens. And so let's just see if I can open this. I surely don't want to puncture any of that. Oh, how cute. Look at that. So, so cute. There's a bottle of coffee. Some whipped cream is in there. Here's a spoon. Fell out. There's 1 spoon and 2 spoons. I'm trying to get this bottle of coffee out. I don't want to mess up the packaging on it, the paper on it, because I want to be able to set it up for display. Oh goodness, it's in there. It's wedged in pretty good. Here, wait a minute. Did it come out? No. There it is. Wow. So it's Rise and Shine Coffee Company. And it is a cute little adorable bottle. It's a latte. Wow. So, so cute. So yes, Peteena will be making coffee one day on a video in one of her little cooking adventures. So that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm just opening the bottle today to see what it is. And trying to get myself ready. And I'm assuming this is directions for all this. So I will save that. And that is the cutest thing ever. I love that. Isn't that so cute? So let me just see if we can just tilt this up a little bit and see how the little coffee cup would sit under here. And you turn this, and the little coffee stuff would come out into the cup. You add the resin, or maybe the resin is the color. I guess this is the resin. You add the whipped cream on top, and then this sets up hard, and she has that coffee forever in this little cup. And then the little cup is perfect size for her. That is so cute. Looks like a big old mug of, you know, coffee or hot cocoa or whatever. That will be adorable. And I use little silicone, wax silicone stuff. It's actually earplugs. They come from Target, I guess, in the health and beauty aids section. My son had picked them up for me a long time ago in that one box I'm still using. It probably has about 10. They look like clear glue dots. And so I use those a little bit on this and in her hand, and then I'll put it there so it holds in her hand. So it looks like that she is holding the cups for videos and photos. So That is so stinking cute. So look at the detail on this. It's hot and cold. A little turn knob over here. Little dials. And it says Expresso. That is just so cute. A little platform, you set that on. You set your cup on. And then you put the, you would put the bottle of this in here. You take the top off and put that down in there. I think you shove it in pretty good. Does that fit on it with that in there? Maybe if you shoved it down better. I don't want to put it too tight. Plus it does have the lid on it. So you'd probably need to take the lid off for it to fit all the way in. But that might fit back on there while that is in. And then you have the whipped cream. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. So, so cute. I will be getting more of these appliances for Peteena. Who knows? I have a doctor's appointment today, and if I get not so good news, I'm going to have to go get a treat. As if I was a little kid going to the doctor and getting a shot and then go get a treat afterwards. But, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. And then it also comes with the little plates and spoons so that she could, you could set the table and have her cup and saucer, I guess you'd call it, instead of a... Oh my gosh, look at that. And you can put that in there like this and put the resin in there so that the spoon is in the coffee. And I could have one without the spoon, one with the spoon and one without. So that is cute. And they're just so adorable. Little spoons. So yeah, I might do one whenever she does her coffee. One with the spoon and one without the spoon. And that way, you know, it's cute. It's cute. I love it. So thank you guys for watching today. It's just a quick little video showing these little Miniverse Make It appliances. And there is a lot of these appliances to choose from. I mean, I don't know how many in all there are, but there's probably about 10 of them at least. I'd say 8 to 10 maybe. So, yeah, I'm going to see if we can't get some more of these little appliances for Peteena because they're the perfect size for what I'm wanting to do with her. And they're cute to look at, okay? Thanks, guys. I will be back with another video later. See you later.